Good morning everyone. Today I, Kanan, along with my friend Aditi, proud Bhupindrians, are here to explain you the effect of concentration on the rate of reaction.
Now we will take 4 conical flasks of same volume of sodium thiosulfate in different concentrations and hydrochloric acid in test tubes in same volume, that is 10 milliliter each.
Now in the first conical flask we have 50 ml of sodium thiosulfate, in second 40 ml, in third 30 ml, and in fourth we have 20 ml.
Now we will make the volume of each conical flask equal, that is 50 ml each. In first conical flask we will not add water because its volume is already 50 ml. In second conical flask we will add 10 milliliter of water to make its volume 50 ml. In third conical flask we will add 20 milliliter of water. And similarly, in the fourth conical flask, we will add 30 milliliter of water.
So now the volume of sodium thiosulfate has been equalized, and now we will take 10 ml of HCl and put in the first conical flask. Before putting that, we will keep it on a cross mark to check the reaction. The reaction will only be completed when this cross mark would become invisible. So when we add HCl in it, it is taking time to take reaction. So now the solution is becoming blurred and the cross mark is invisible and the reaction is completed.
So the time noted to complete this reaction is 15 seconds.
In this reaction, sodium thiosulfate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sulfur, which is a yellow precipitate, and sodium chloride, that is a salt, and SO2 gas, sulfur dioxide gas. This is very irritating, has irritating smell. Also water is formed. We will repeat the same activity with second conical flask and add 10 ml of HCl in it. We now observe that this conical flask is taking much time than that of the first conical flask to take the reaction. And now the solution has become blurred, so the mark is invisible and the reaction is completed.
So the time taken to complete this reaction was 19 seconds.
We will repeat the same activity with third and fourth conical flask, and we will find that on decreasing the concentration, the time taken to complete the reaction increases.
So we can say that concentration is inversely proportional to time. Thank you.